Hello everyone, welcome to Unbox Grid. Today we will be looking at how to take a screenshot on iPad plus how to edit it and where does it get stored. Let's get started. To take a screenshot, figure out the power button on the left hand side of the iPad and there should be a volume button on the very top. You can use either of the volume buttons to take the screenshot, either the up button or the down button, and you need to press the power button and either of the volume button both at once and you will see the screenshot being taken on the left bottom corner. To edit it, click on the screenshot, and here if you have Apple Pencil it should work directly to edit or highlight something, and if you don't have an Apple Pencil you can click on the three dots icon as I have clicked, and here you will enable the finger option which I have just enabled, and now I will select pencil or something and I'll try to figure it out, or I'll try to highlight something. So this is now done. Now on the left top corner click on done and you can save it to files or wherever you want. And now if you need to see the screenshot you can go to photos and there you will have a new icon or the new file which is with the highlighted thing. So this is how easy it is to take a screenshot in Apple iPad. Thank you for watching.